One. There, you're live. They're gonna hear me chewing the whole
We're
time.
live.
Live.
Are you able to go on Facebook?
Louisiana.
Pig on your shirt.
What?
Welcome to Build Across Live.
The
I
pig.
get some
I do
dip,
need a
Cole.
pee.
He is a filthy animal.
I got dip. Y'all.
When we dip, we dip.
We're gonna have the 21 days of eating for Christmas.
Yes, we're all eating right now. My
Woohoo!
mother,
They started today.
my mother brought shrimp and crab meat dip, and it is so good. So we're all up here devouring it.
So would today technically be the 21 days of Christmas?
Today's the 6th.
Oh no, yesterday would have started
Yesterday
it.
was the 20 days to Christmas. It would have started on the 4th, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah.
Which one you thinking of doing?
Whatever you want. They didn't
Yeah.
have any number for anybody.
What are we eating for lunch?
I mean, I'm getting kind of full of crab dip.
Whatever.
I have breakfast
So let me tell y'all, it's literally, okay, it's a layer of cream cheese, and then you put crab meat, and then you put shrimp meat. Here's going to kind of hold it up. Like, you finally chop it up. And so you finally chop up crab meat, shrimp meat, bell peppers, onions, and cocktail sauce. It's an explosion of flavor in your mouth.
It really is delicious.
That's my review. 10 out of 10 recommends.
Explosion of flavor in your mouth.
Explosion of flavor.
Where have we heard that before?
Hey, I'll leave some good reviews. I like to do that for people. Like you know, people who are mom and
Who
pop
leave an
type place.
explosion
Yeah.
in your mouth.
Yeah, like leave people, take the time and leave a good review. Not just a bad one.
Like
She's got those delicious
I want me
oatmeal cookies.
a cup
right
of
there.
joy.
Cup of joy. I got oatmeal raisin cookies and pumpkin fudge. I'm fat this year.
Whatever.
Okay, this is a new shape that we have. It's called Merry Christmas and Happy Moo Year. So
Happy Moo Year.
it's a cow. Tara likes to design animal stuff. Animals are her thing.
Oh yes. Did I already tell him yesterday about getting 2 new pigs and another dog?
Did you say that on the live?
I don't know if I did, but I'm currently trying to get Sarah's mini apartment fixed up by her house, which is years down the road, so I can move in.
Hey, you did it to yourself.
No, I'm outnumbered, Sarah.
How many dogs and cats and animals do you have now?
4 dogs,
Okay.
1 cat,
Okay.
5 pigs, and
Oh
about
my
20
gosh.
chickens, and we're about to get a cow.
What do you do with 5 pigs and 20 chickens? Is your yard just watch
Well-
where you step?
No, they're all fenced. Like we have the we have a fairly large like chicken coop, which we converted the old barn into a chicken coop.
Yeah.
And then back behind where that is, there's a huge fenced area where the pigs stay.
Yeah.
So, I mean, the baby pigs, they're in the house right now with us, and they stay in a kennel. And, I mean, it's working out pretty good.
I have turtles. And that's it. So this shape has cow patterns on it. I'm not like too worried. I'm using it as a guide, but I'm painting outside the lines. I'm including them into my little shape here.
Alice did cow for her
Yep.
her parking lot, huh? Parking spot.
Jim, his little dog really is precious. Like, I think he's going to be a good dog. And he apparently was probably kenneled, you know, because last night.
Jealous.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
how'd that go?
Oh, it's rough, y'all. She hides under our bed, and he has to, like, take her outside by herself. Like, the new dog's too big to ride on the four-wheeler with them, so he tries to take her out and go four-wheeler riding. It's their thing.
Mm-hmm.
But he loves them both. I think deep down he does, because he's like, well, Matthew will probably end up just being like Sissy, you know, everybody's dog. But he picks that dog up and gives it like a bear hug. I mean, he loves them both. He doesn't want, he keeps like, Pip, come here to me, Pip. Pip, come see
And
me.
Pip's like,
Yeah, she's the scorned female.
How dare you replace me? The scorned woman.
She doesn't understand.
okay, so that's the cow. I'm trying to see my lines still. Those are the cow pattern, and now I'm gonna trace over the wording. This is like a shallow etching, so it's good that it's not going to show too much. I think I'll do Merry Christmas in red
Mm-hmm.
and Happy New Year in gold and black.
Yeah.
Or even gold and pink or gold and green. It's a good accent color.
Oh yeah, pink.
When I'm doing these words, I make sure that I have a thin round brush and that my paint is smooth and it'll glide. And I just follow these lines. Try not to pick your brush up too much because you don't want to create start and stop areas. Anchor your arm. Like I always say, when you're doing writing or fine lines, anchor your arm. I have people at my house today installing a new shower, and my doorbell, my Ring camera is like going off nonstop. And the Sterlington police came by this morning to deliver my calendar.
That was fun.
New office calendar.
Oh, is it going to be our office calendar?
Yes, I'm bringing it up here. Sterlington police put out a calendar, if nobody knows.
If you don't know, you want to know. The Sterlington police are those police.
They're a thing. They're a whole mood.
Yep. they put out their own calendar.
Yep.
Where's it at?
And I wasn't there to pick it up. I passed them. I was like on the Ring camera going, I just passed you guys in my green Jeep. Like, he was like, where'd you like us to leave it, ma'am?
You could bring it up at the office.
Yeah, right?
I love it.
He asked if I wanted him to bring it back. I was like, no, you can just leave it in the mailbox.
You said no, Sarah. I'm shocked.
I want some more. They got some good stuff.
Isn't that good stuff?
You like that?
My mom brought me the ingredients to make it for my birthday for everybody.
That's pretty good stuff.
It is. I was telling Billy to just put it on a sandwich, eat a sandwich. It's the perfect explosion.
Yep.
So,
It's like a bomb of explosion in your mouth.
I think I'm done.
Next
with
level.
Oh my
I
goodness.
think I'm done with my Christmas shopping. I really do.
If you're leaving, we got to get those things cut for the kids.
Oh,
Who do
yeah.
we tell that to?
Billy.
Billy?
What are y'all cutting?
Gingerbread
Little
houses.
gingerbread houses.
Oh.
We need like 2 sheets.
Are y'all having a decorating contest?
No, you know how like the kids have to send Christmas goodies for their classmates?
Oh.
So we're sending gingerbread houses for them to put together. Last year we did the snowmen, and they could put the snowmen together.
Okay, yeah.
This year we're sending gingerbread houses for them to put
Okay.
together. Because I mean, honestly, like I can't tell you, and I mean it's okay if you send pencils and all that. You know that's fine. But like
Yeah.
we have a drawer full of pencils. So I
Bring
just
them up here because we need pencils.
I might do that.
We stole my pencil the other day.
Yeah. So we're trying to think outside the box,
Yeah.
something different.
Oh, let me just tell y'all. Abram has been writing letters to Santa.
Is Barbie's dream house on it?
Am I spelling Christmas right?
CHRISTMAS.
Okay, this is a T. It's hard to see it upside down. Don't be worried about not being able to trace these really well because it still is going to look great.
Oh no, I'm back. I had to run back there and talk to them. Abram wants a real baby sloth, which I had to explain to her they're extinct. Not extinct. They're on the endangered species
I was
list.
like,